to send money to Revolut account from India. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to send money to your Revolut account from India. So in order to transfer the money to your Revolut account from India, you need to first check whether Revolut is available in India or not. So if you see the list of the countries where the Revolut is currently available, you will see that the supported countries are Australia, Brazil and all these countries. And the supported British overseas countries are these, and the French countries are these, and other countries are like that. But I won't be able to see India as of today on this particular list. That means the Revolut is not currently working in India as of till date. But you still want to send the money to your Revolut account from India. So there is only one possible way through which you can do it. All you can do is just simply connect your bank account to your Revolut account, and through that bank account just send the money to the person who is already living on these particular countries, any of the countries that you can see where the Revolut is currently available, and just send them the money and ask them to transfer the money from your bank account to the Revolut account right there. So this is the only way through which you will be able to send money to Revolut account from India. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.